Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can apply for partner of a New Zealander visitor visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this New Zealand immigration site. So this visa allows you to visit New Zealand if you have a partner who is a New Zealand citizen or resident. So this is a very good visa because for many countries like Canada, if you're from a visa required country and your um, partner is a Canadian citizen or permanent resident, getting a visitor visa is challenging. But these guys have a dedicated visa for this purpose, so this is really good. You can stay up to 3 years. Cost is like 341 New Zealand dollars and 80% within 9 weeks, so approximately 2 months. Of course, in some cases it could take more. With this visa, you can join your partner, explore New Zealand as a visitor, study for up to 3 months. You cannot work while on visitor visa. If you have lived with your partner for less than 12 months, your visa will be for 1 year and you can apply for additional visa to stay 3 years in total. Okay, wow. If you have lived for 12 months or more, your visa will be for up to 3 years. Okay. Now, to get the detailed information, let's say the principal applicant, I mean partner, is from India. So let's see if there's anything country specific. Identity, health, character, genuine intentions. Partner must be a New Zealand citizen or resident. Okay. Your partner must be of good character. Okay. Eligible New Zealand supporting partner must support a visa application. Okay. And be eligible to support a, okay. Fine. Must be living together in a genuine and stable relationship. Your partner must plan to be in New Zealand while you visit. Okay. You must have enough money to live on while you are in New Zealand or have an acceptable sponsor. So that means you should have at least 1000 New Zealand dollars per month or 400 per month if you have already paid for your accommodation. Okay, wow. If you are sponsored, your sponsor must provide evidence they can look after New Zealand. Evidence can be recent bank statement, payslip, okay, employment records, and these things. So if your partner is employed, it's not going to be a problem. Okay. Onward travel. Okay. Dependent children. Okay, fine. This visa to bring children must complete additional dependent. Okay, fine. So I don't have to go into everything, but let's go through the process. So apply. You need to log in using Realme account. I have already made a video how you can create a Realme account in case you don't have. So I'm going to log in and then I'm going to see you guys. If you want to watch that video, I'm going to include the link in the description that you can watch. So I logged in into my Realme account. Here I'll click on partner or child visa. Are you applying a visa as a partner or child of one of the following New Zealand citizen visa holder? Person applying for, yeah, I select yes. Do you have a master visa or a union card to pay for this? Yes. Are you a Australian citizen or permanent? I select no. You can start your application. Now this is the applicant. I mean the person who is applying the uh, visitor visa. So let's say John Smith is an Australian resident whose wife Clara Smith is filling this application. Put Mrs. Other name, let's say she has never changed her name. Gender. What's your date of birth? So you need to do as per your own case. Don't look for what I am doing. Okay. Let's say I put as where you were born. Let's say Indian state. Town. passport or Clara's passport, country, territory, expiry date. Just sample, guys. National identity number. This is not a mandatory field, so I'm leaving it. But if you have, definitely provide the other citizenship that you hold if applicable. So India does not allow dual citizenship, so I'm leaving it. What is your partnership status? I select married. Have you previously applied for visitor visa for New Zealand? I select no. Let's say it's Clara's first application. Provide your current residential address. Address line 1. Just sample, guys. You do properly. Of course, you know your address. Provide telephone. One phone number is mandatory, not all. Email. Provide proper email address. Don't do like this because anyway they're going to communicate there, right? Is a postal address same as your current residential address? I select yes. Will you be in the same country as your residential address when you submit this application? Yes. Will this visa application be submitted together with other visa application as part of a group? So in this case, assume that her partner John is in New Zealand already. So I select no. I click agree. I click on continue. But yes, you need to answer as per the case because you remember it is for the people those who are going to apply visa to. Like let's say somebody is going to apply for work visa and their partner can apply this together. Visa details. Are you applying as a partner or dependent child of another person? The partner. What type of visa are you applying for? Work visa, visitor visa? I select visitor. How does your partner citizenship or visa status allow them to support this? My partner is an work visa holder, other eligible visa holder, New Zealand citizen, military visa based on their role and remuneration. I select this one. Okay. How long you plan to stay in New Zealand? Total include time you have already spent in New Zealand. So let's say I select more than this one, somewhere between. Heavily financially supported. My supporting person is financially supporting me. Okay. Your relation with your supporting partner. Are you and your partner currently living together in a genuine and citizenship? Yes. Have we been living together for at least 12 months in total? I select yes. Will your partner resign for this? No, wait. I need to tweak this answer based on our circumstances. It's 12 months in total. Have been living continuous? No. Will your partner be in New Zealand for the same period of time? I select yes. Are you close relatives? Select yes. Is oh, close relatives. I actually don't know the meaning of this. So I'll go for close relative. Partners, adult brother, sister. You or your partner's adult brother or sister? No. So I'll select no. No. Fine. If anyone included the application is under 16 applying to students more than no one included. Okay. You need to answer as per your case. I just selected some options. What is the person's relationship to you? This person is my, I select husband. Partner's last name. So this is going to be John Smith's information. Of course, you know such details about your partner. Partner territory of birth, state of birth, city of birth, passport number. It's not mandatory, so I'm skipping it. But definitely, you know your passport, your partner's, your husband's passport details. So don't miss these. Will your supporting partner need to provide police certificate for any country other than New Zealand? I select no. But you can find out more info anyway. If you don't provide, they can ask later on if they want to. I'm just putting sample, but do it as per your own case. Additional applicant. Are there any additional applicant? I select no. You have to tuberculosis. I select no. Renal dialysis, hospital care, residential care. Are you pregnant? Have you visited or lived for more than 3 months? Uh, where have you seen last 5 years? I select India. Let's say Clara has never been out of India. Have you previously chest access? No, I select. Have you previously provided general medical certificate, limited medical certificate? I select no. Now these set documents I'll cover in other videos. When you applied for last physical care, I have not been asked to provide. Because first application. Now character, convicted of any offense, deported, under investigation. I'm putting no for all of these, but you verify, read, understand, and then select your answer. And answer, of course, as per your own case. Work is, are you currently working? Let's say no, she is not working. Because let's say, assume she is a housewife. Otherwise, you provide your detail. Okay. Like they have in fields for outside New Zealand and in New Zealand. Okay. Current work and other things. So if she's working, provide such details. But and if you want to add more employment, you can add that. Okay. But I assume she is not working, so I just select no. Other, do you have any other contacts in New Zealand? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide. Are you completing this form on behalf of someone else? I select no. Have you received immigration advice or assistance? I select no. Okay, now document checklist has been populated. Passport photograph, passport, identification card, if any document not in English, evidence you are a bona fide applicant, funds, okay, based on general medical certificate, submitting, okay, evidence that relationship is genuine, stable. If you have any doubt, what are the things, you can always click on question mark and it will give you, and these links also you can check. This checklist is populated based on your situation. All uploaded in English, I select yes. Are there, if you provide additional documents, you can select this, select document that you want to provide, and you can upload. If you want to add more, you can always click on add additional. And then you continue, you accept the declaration, and then you submit the application by paying the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to navigate through this. So thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to channel. Thank you.